coming. Though. Oh no, I forgot to switch off the lights. We are going to use a smartphone, a Wi-Fi switch, LED light with a driver, a high voltage lamp, low voltage lamp. This is the smart switch. We will see the configurations. This is having output line and input line. So output we can connect to the load, and input we can connect to the supply, 230 volt supply. Neutral is common, and this is the earth line. So better we can connect earth also, so that we will be able to read the data in monitoring very easily. So now let us open this and connect the wires. Let us connect the wires. Okay, this is my power card. I've connected input line and earth point and neutral point, and this is my output, that is to the load, output point and neutral. So this is to the load and this is to the EB supply. Now let me connect some loads. I'll take first the LED load. I just connected my load. You can see this, a button. You just press this, you will get the lights on. The red button, red indicator is also glowing. There is a blue indicator which is trying to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Let us go for the software configurations first. Now go to the App Store, Play Store, and you find EV Link. Install. Okay, open. So agree, read the service agreement and agree. You can enter your state. Example, I am in India, so I can put India, and your mobile number or email ID. You can give, I am giving my email ID, then login. Okay, save email address. Okay, so there is a device here. So now the device is in offline. This is the device. You can change the name of the device also. This is, I just connected to the living room. You can switch on the device. There is a button here and LED indicator. As I said, you can check it using manually also. So there is a red button here, and there is a blue LED is blinking for Wi-Fi connection. So once it is connected, the device is now in the connected mode. You can switch on and off from your mobile. So we have made our own mobile based IoT smart light switch. This is the consumption pattern. So how much daily consumption and real time at present how much is taking. Since it is a LED light, it won't consume more power. So it is showing. You can start or refresh. You can give the refresh also. And history means previous. So you can see the date. You can change the date, whatever it is, daily consumptions. Okay guys, now let us see the higher voltage bulb. You can see the consumption, how it is increasing or decreasing, so that we can monitor the power consumption rating and the strategies. Okay, so now I'm connecting. So because LED you may not able to see the higher voltage. Yes. Okay. Previously here there is no power, current, only voltage was showing because of LED. Now it is 200 watts high voltage bulb. Almost it is showing 181, current is 0.75. How we can calculate the monitor the power? 1 unit is nothing but 1000 watts. 1 unit is 1000 watts per hour. So this is how you have to measure the power. So using this smart switch, you can switch on and off your light, house, home light or office light, any lighting from the mobile phone very easily. And you need a smart switch, Wi-Fi connection and EV-Link mobile software and your light load and the AC power. That's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and write your reviews and feedbacks. Thank you very much. Good day.